Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So how to download live wallpaper for Windows 11 officially from Microsoft Store. You don't need to download from third-party websites or third-party apps. You can officially now download from Microsoft Store. So let me show you. I will just leave the link in the description, but you can easily get into Microsoft Store. Just Google live wallpaper from Microsoft Store. You will end up on this page. So you can just download Lively Wallpaper. After downloading, you can run this setup file from the downloads, Lively Wallpaper installer. After installing that, you will find yourself on this page. So as you can see, we have several. These are the only options right now we have, but soon hopefully we will get more live wallpapers from Microsoft Store. So let's see if we can choose this matrix, and it's been applied already. So that's how you download live wallpaper officially from Microsoft Store, and it's quite cool, very simple. I will definitely put the link in the description to download this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned.